Our next video is going to be how to edit that placemark that you have created in Google Earth. If you've not created a placemark yet, go back and check out the last video on creating a placemark. Now, once you create your placemark and have it all set where you want it, you can begin entering information into your description. You have to remember to use some basic HTML code to get that to work for you the way you want it to. Suggestion is that you set your title as a large heading, and the code for a large heading is a bracket, an H1, which will be a large heading, and we'll call this Hurricane Katrina. And now you end it by putting a bracket and a slash, and you want to end H1. Now, the next thing is going to be to enter some paragraphs. You can't just, well, you could just type into here and put all of your information in, but it will not break it up into paragraphs. Even if you hit enter and create your own paragraphs, it will not do that. It will show up as one big, ginormous paragraph. So you have to create your own paragraphs by using the HTML code for paragraph, which is bracket, P, bracket. And now we can put in some text. Now I'm just going to type in some random text here so that you can see what's going on. And we're going to type it in. And once we finish our first paragraph of information, we need to tell Google Earth to end the paragraph. So if we're going to end the paragraph, we put a bracket, slash, which is the end code, P, and a bracket. Now let's take a look at what that looks like. If we hit OK now, and we click on our placemark, you'll see that we have a large heading, Hurricane Katrina, and we have our first paragraph right here. Now to edit that placemark again, you're either going to use this side of the screen over here or the placemark itself. Either one, you right-click and you go down to Properties. Now, I want to start another paragraph. So I hit Enter, and I put a bracket, and I'm going to use my code for paragraph, which is P. And now I'm going to type in some more of my information. All right. And again, when I'm finished, I need to tell Google Earth I'm done with the paragraph, so I put in bracket, slash, P, bracket. Now if we go look at it, you're going to see that we have two distinct paragraphs. Our heading, our first paragraph, and our second paragraph. You can also add into there subheadings. Let's say you want to make a section about the damage of your natural disaster. Well, our code sheet tells us that the code for subheading is bracket H, and now we can pick any number between 1 and 5. 1 is the biggest text, 5 would be the smallest text in the heading. So I usually like to use 3 because it's a good size in the middle. So I'm going to say H3, I'm going to put damage on there, and I'm going to end it, bracket, slash, H3, end bracket. Now if we look at it, we're going to see that we have a large heading, our two paragraphs, and our subheading. And now if you wanted to add another paragraph under that, you can add a paragraph by starting it with bracket, P, bracket, and you can begin typing your next paragraph. You can also add numbered lists or unnumbered lists. If you use your HTML placemark text formatting sheet, it will tell you how to do that. Our next video will be about adding images to your description.